How to develop a crypto AI agent. Step-by-step guide. AI agents are transforming the way we interact with technology. Today, I'll show you how to develop your own crypto AI agent step-by-step using the latest tools and platforms available. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this guide will simplify the process. First, let's understand what an AI agent is. Essentially, it's software that interacts with its environment, performing tasks autonomously. For example, many crypto AI agents tweet about market updates, respond to messages, or even automate trading tasks. Platforms like Virtual's protocol allow you to build your own AI agents. However, as a beginner, you'll start as a prototype agent, which limits your access to advanced features until your project gains traction. This means you need to build attention around your project to unlock more capabilities. To start building your crypto AI agent, you'll need a few tools. 1. A Twitter API to automate tweets. 2. ChatGPT API for content generation. 3. A platform like Make.com for automation. For example, you can set up your AI agent to monitor tweets from popular crypto influencers, rewrite them in a unique style using ChatGPT, and post them automatically. Platforms like AIXBT are free alternatives that allow more customization but require a basic understanding of Node.js and Git. Once your tools are in place, it's time to run your AI agent. If you're using AIXBT, create character files that define the behavior of your bot. These files make it easier to customize your AI's responses based on specific scenarios, such as replying to tweets or sharing market updates. After setting up, run the agent through your terminal. It will log in with your credentials and start performing tasks, like liking tweets, responding to posts, or even creating unique content. Building an AI agent isn't without challenges. Tools like Twitter API can be expensive, and platforms like Make.com have rate limits that require patience. For example, if you get rate limited, wait 15 minutes before resuming work to avoid further delays. If you're just starting, focus on simpler tools like Make.com before diving into advanced platforms like AIXBT. That's how you can build your own crypto AI agent step by step. Whether you're automating tweets, managing crypto updates, or exploring new use cases, the possibilities are endless. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're looking to develop a custom AI agent tailored to your specific needs, contact Ranga Technologies. With extensive experience in every generation of crypto technology, we're here to bring your vision to life. Need a custom AI agent? Contact Ranga Technologies today.